Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on the Swagbucks application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks application on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the continue with Google as well as the continue with email option. Just tap on whichever method you used while opening up your account and you might be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and then tap on continue. And you will now be asked to enter your password. Now, in case you have forgotten your password, just tap on the forgot password button underneath continue, and you will now be asked to enter your email address once again. So type it in once again and tap on reset password, and you will now be asked to check your inbox. You can tap on the sign in button once again, and after checking in within your inbox, you will find an email from Swagbucks. If you open up this email, you will see the reset password button. Go ahead and click on this, and now you will be allowed to create a new password for your account right away. Just type in your desired password for your account and then type it in once again for confirmation. You can then tap on the reset password button, and now this will change your password into the one that you just selected right away. You will now immediately be able to use this new password along with your original email address in order to log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your Swagbucks account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.